Hello, how's it going? My name's Hector. I've been wearing systems for about 4 years now. And I just want to run you through about what my typical Sundays look like. My hair's a mess. I'm wearing a hat because I've just been sweating this entire week. So I've been doing a lot of mountain biking and a lot of skiing. Right now in the spring, it's kind of the perfect time to sweat a lot. So a lot of helmet sports, at least for me. And that's good because mine's protected, but it's bad because now I have something that's trapping heat. And you know, as a system where heat is not so great for the hair system because the adhesive starts to break down. All right, so welcome to my bathroom. I'm gonna take you through the steps right now. So I'll first start off with a microfiber cloth and some T22. So I'm just gonna spray it, go out my hairline a little bit, and then go bit by bit, peeling the tape back, being nice and gentle with it. So I use Ghost Bond in the front, and then I use Walker tape on the perimeter. And I find that to last me around 7 days or so. Your mileage may vary depending on how you heat up as a person. I'm very warm and I tend to sweat a lot. So mine only really lasts me a full week. Step 2 is I just let it soak for 5 minutes or so in water. And then step 3, again, you know, it's shampoo and conditioner. You got a shampoo and conditioner. I was using fibers in my hair. So imagine that, you know, it was kind of chaos. And now it's kind of completely flipped. I had to apply fibers every single day. I would get spotty coverage here and there, and it was kind of scary, you know, for me, like terrifying to walk out like that. Like, oh, what if I'm missing a spot on my hair? And now it's like the worst I get is just like sweaty looking stuff. And like right now it's a little dry and it's a little oily and all that. But that's expected, right? You know, if these hair systems are now part of us, right? So Sundays are usually my days of reflection. You know, I'll like spend some time doing maintenance, and then most of the time as I'm doing this, I'm sort of thinking about, okay, like what's going on this week? You know, like what's gone on in my life so far. I kind of use it as a day to sort of be pensive and just think about life. And at least today I was thinking about this trip I took to Colorado a few years back. I think 2 years ago at this point. I went skiing out there, and I was terrified. You know, I worried about, are people looking at my hair? You know, like will people see that I'm balding, right? And that's why I got a hair system right now, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, so step 1's done. Now I'm gonna put this in a little bit of hot water, warm water, not really hot. And just let it sit there. All right, so with the tape off, now I'm just going at the system with my little microfiber towel. So I'll just try to sort of, you know, like use it to grab off any of the glue adhesive that's still on it. But yeah, like if you're gonna be active, right, you just need to be aware of your hair system. When I was out there skiing, I was having a blast, you know. I'm glad that I had a hair system for that trip because I didn't have to worry about my fibers or anything like that. Having a hair system has definitely unlocked a lot of time, a lot of doors, right? Like you're not really stressed all that much on your hair anymore. And that's freeing. I think I like that word. I like using that word, freeing. And I think for me, it just kind of it honestly gave me a bit of life again, right? You know, it's, I was 22, 23 when I first started like really losing my hair. And it's nice to not have to worry about your hair. I honestly forget that I have it on my head, you know? And that's such a great feeling. So the glue is out of the front. So I have a little, and I think like everyone should have one of these, like almost like a little bowl. And I put this in there. I will get my Vaccine Natural shampoo. Shake it up a little bit, spray some of this. So I kind of do something like that, you know, and then now I'll just submerge it in water. So I kind of just have it like this. And then I'll massage that in. You know, it's tough to do it with one hand, but just imagine doing it with this. And yeah, so I'll do that with the shampoo. I'll just sit for a minute or two, and then I'll rinse that off, and then I will go at it with the conditioner. But yeah, the hair systems are, at least for me, they've been life-changing, honestly. I feel like I am a lot more confident at work, not having to worry about my hair. I'm a lot more confident playing sports, not having to worry about my hair. I'm a lot more confident when I am just exploring, going outside, you know, going into the city, exploring, just wandering around, you know, being a human, right? Like not having to worry about hair is very, very freeing. I'm gonna let this sit for a bit, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. And that's my entire pretty much maintenance routine. And I'll let that dry, and then it'll be okay. Life isn't really difficult with the hair system. Once you lock down and once you figure out your routine, you know, how many days you can wear you can wear it without needing to reinstall. But reinstallations are good. You know, you want to reinstall. You don't want to have tape that's breaking down on your head. Because it's honestly, in my case, it starts to smell. So you want to be clean, you want to be professional, you want to be smelling good. Having a hair system has helped me out a lot, and don't let it be a worry. And now I can go ski and snowboard and mountain bike no problem. So yeah, I hope you guys can do the same thing. Thank you for joining me on my hair system Sunday. Cool. Thanks.